In the fascinating realm of science, the zebrafish has emerged as an extraordinary model organism that plays a pivotal role in unraveling the intricate tapestry of life. These tiny, transparent creatures, measuring only a few centimeters in length, possess a remarkable ability to regenerate their damaged tissues and organs, providing scientists with an invaluable window into the enigmatic processes of healing and repair. But the zebrafish's contributions extend far beyond regenerative biology, making them a versatile and indispensable tool in a multitude of research endeavors. One of the most captivating characteristics of the zebrafish is its remarkable transparency, a trait that has revolutionized the study of developmental biology. Thanks to their transparent bodies, researchers can observe the growth and development of organs and tissues in real time, gaining unprecedented insights into the complex processes that shape life. This transparency has enabled scientists to track the movement of individual cells during embryonic development, providing invaluable information about cell fate and differentiation. Moreover, the zebrafish's genetic malleability has made it an ideal candidate for gene editing studies. Scientists can introduce specific mutations or modifications into the zebrafish genome, enabling them to investigate the roles of specific genes in development, disease, and behavior. This capability has accelerated the discovery of genes involved in a wide range of human disorders, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. The zebrafish's regenerative abilities have also attracted considerable research interest. Zebrafish can regenerate a wide range of tissues and organs, including fins, heart, and retina, making them a valuable model for studying tissue regeneration and repair mechanisms. Scientists are investigating the molecular and cellular pathways involved in zebrafish regeneration with the hope of translating these findings into potential therapies for human tissue repair. Beyond its regenerative capabilities, the zebrafish has proven to be a versatile model for studying behavior and cognition. Scientists can train zebrafish to perform specific tasks, such as swimming through mazes or responding to different stimuli. These behavioral assays allow researchers to probe the neural circuits and molecular mechanisms underlying learning, memory, and decision-making. The zebrafish has also shed light on the genetic basis of disease susceptibility. By creating zebrafish models of human diseases, scientists can identify genetic variants that increase or decrease susceptibility to specific disorders. This approach has helped to pinpoint genetic risk factors for a variety of diseases, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and diabetes. In conclusion, the zebrafish has proven to be an invaluable research tool, providing scientists with unique insights into a broad range of biological processes, from development and regeneration to disease susceptibility and behavior. As scientists continue to unravel the secrets of the zebrafish, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries that will advance our understanding of human health and biology.